wealthcoachacademy.com with Louise and Maurice.
I loved creating that first section for you because I want you to feel empowered so that you can go forth and be that exceptional life coach that really is going to make a positive difference for the people in your lives, the people that you coach. I want you to feel exceptional. So that's where, as we continue, it is about developing you into that exceptional life coach. Now, as we continue further down in the course, you will develop your people skills, among other things. But just in this section here, I'm going to share with you 7 success tips. And these 7 success tips are foundation. Remember, this is the foundation course, and it really should help you decide, do I have what it takes to be a life coach? And, is this something where I am going to develop as a person and, really make an impact? And I want you to get excited about it, but I also want you to use this as your own personal assessment. Like, is coaching right for me? And as I continue on, again, I've got a download sheet for you so that you have this as a note-taking guide and you have questions and activities, and it really is powerful. But it only works if you watch all of the lectures all of the way through. I don't put together junk, and I certainly don't add fluff to anything. When I have something to say, it's important for your success, and that's why I developed this. Again, I am your instructor, Louise Ann Maurice. Just call me Louise and make sure that you are reaching out with any questions because I am here to guide you. Let's continue.